They can tell me I want to be in scuba diving gear. That's their opinion. Fine. I'm the one getting married. My name's Diana. I'm 31. I work in humanitarian aid. My fiance's name is Ivan. We actually met at work.
Ladies, here's some macarons.
My work is such a big part of my life. I go to war zones.
Diana's line of work definitely scares the crap out of me. I think of her as like a really brave, strong person.
I'm Diana. Hi. Nice to meet you.
She's always been like focusing on everybody else around her. So now that it's about her, I don't think she knows how to handle that.
Looking pretty on my wedding day is of course important. Of course I want a nice dress, but it's not the most important thing in life.
What type of dress are you looking for?
Something really simple.
Yes.
Lace, because there's like a vintage feel to the wedding. My girlfriends are so important to me. Since I am the first one getting married, we haven't gone through this before. It's totally new. And it's exciting. We've gone through some really, really hard times.
I understand someone's missing.
We were sort of a posse of 6, and then our friend Elisa passed away in an accident in 2011.
Elisa was my best friend. She died a year and a half ago. She was just past her 30th birthday. She went on a trip and there was an accident and she died. I go to war zones and I like run the risk of kidnap, and it was supposed to be me, right? It wasn't supposed to be her on her 30th birthday vacation. I miss her terribly. She's the reason I'm not having bridesmaids, because I can't have bridesmaids without her.
Let's go. Let's try dresses on. Diana seems to like lace, and I think that could be a pretty good style for her. Of course, I'm going to try different silhouettes and different styles.
Oh my gosh.
It's the first dress. I kind of thought it looked like a sea creature, but you know.
It's too
It's
much.
like a toilet paper commercial. I wanted to.
She's right. You know when they do those fashion things where you have to make a dress out of toilet paper?
Kind of look like you defrosted chicken. I don't know what these girls are talking about. I like it. I think it looks fun and frilly and gets kind of princessy.
Wait, do you like it?
No, I hate it.
Okay, get it on.
So this dress has taken enough abuse.
Yeah, it's time to go. Wow, mermaid.
So I like it to here.
Yeah.
I'm going to try a belt, okay?
Yes.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That
I
champagne
like.
is pretty.
So who likes this dress? Which? Oh, okay.
Wow, that's a pretty good showing.
I love it.
I'm gonna disagree with everyone. Strongly dislike. It's super old-fashioned. It looks like grandma's dress that was altered to be modern.
Standing on a podium is very strange. I don't want to be here. I don't really like mirrors, so I don't spend a lot of time in front of mirrors. I don't really like dresses, so I don't wear a lot of dresses. I would much rather be outside on my motorcycle.
It could very well take a Christmas miracle to get this group to agree on one dress.
Your
But-
boobs look fantastic in that.
Yeah,
It's like it was made for you.
really?
Yeah.
I like it. It like does hug my curves a bit.
I think I see a little bit of love in your eyes.
I like it a lot. Keisha is definitely listening to what I'd said that I wanted and moving in the right direction. The sweetheart is good. The fact that I don't have anything on my neck, I like the shoulders.
The lace right now is looking like snowflakes gone wrong on you. I just don't like it. I really hate it. There's too many sparkles, so the boys might get confused and start plucking at her.
There's a zipper in your front, okay?
Yeah.
Right now? Like right now you
It
have
really,
a zipper,
yeah.
right?
I'm sorry.
You're not.
No, you need to take it off.
This crowd is tough on these dresses. Come on, give her a break.
It's beautiful though.
Yeah.
This dress makes me feel pretty. I feel maybe like a bride, maybe. I hope that they like it. Not everyone is sold on the lace.
There's no secret that Diana loves lace, and really just because of the old-fashioned style, and she really likes that vintage feel. And I completely hate lace.
It's okay.
It's okay?
I like the one you had on before. This one it really does the body well, but that one's just like a simplified version of what you just wore.
But
Yeah.
I'm pretty simple.
I absolutely love this dress for Diana. I can't believe how gorgeous she looks. She lights up when she's wearing it.
You tell us how you feel about this dress.
I like it.
A lot?
A lot.
I totally got this girl. She's slowly but surely becoming a bride.
You're much more relaxed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are.
does
You're
seem
more
like-
yourself right now.
Truth be told, that is a much more kind of a relaxed look that's kind of nice for a farm.
I knew it was in there, and I'm just bringing it out.
Slowly look in the mirror, slowly.
I gotta close my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open your eyes.
Oh, wow.
I know.
You look incredible.
You might actually be right about the veil.
Yeah, it's so for me.
Love the dress.
4 loves.
That's 4.
What do you think?
I love it.
Oh my God.
Ooh, to the perfect dress.
Hi,
I know this is the dress because when I'm wearing it, I'm not thinking about being in a salon. I'm thinking about walking down the aisle to be with the one I love.
Gimme love.